Risotto alla Milanese is more than just a dish. It's a journey into the history and culture of Milan. Imagine sitting in a cozy Milanese restaurant, surrounded by the elegance and charm of a city that's a crossroads of fashion, art, and history. As you savor this dish, you'll experience the rich, enveloping flavors that have delighted palates since the Renaissance. The rice, cooked to perfection, blends with saffron, a precious ingredient that gives the dish its iconic golden color, evoking images of luxury and refinement. Each bite takes you on a culinary journey where the creamy rice melds with the sweet, aromatic flavor of saffron, enriched by the savory Parmigiano Reggiano and the butter's richness. But risotto alla Milanese isn't just about taste. It's also about tradition and history. Originating in the Middle Ages, this dish is a witness to the various eras that Milan has undergone, a city that has always played a central role in Italian history. Experiencing risotto alla Milanese in Milan is a unique experience that combines culinary pleasure with the discovery of a city rich in art, fashion, design, and history. The streets of Milan, with their historic buildings and modern shop windows, provide the perfect backdrop for a journey that satisfies all the senses. By savoring this dish, you're not just enjoying one of the finest examples of Italian cuisine. You're also immersing yourself in Milanese life, feeling part of a tradition that continues to live and fascinate. Ingredients: 320 grams of carnaroli or arborio rice, 1 liter of vegetable or meat broth, 1 packet of saffron powder, 1 small onion, 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of grated Parmigiano Reggiano, dry white wine, salt and pepper. Instructions: 1. Finely chop the onion and sauté it in half of the butter until it becomes translucent. 2. Add the rice and toast it for a few minutes, stirring continuously. 3. Deglaze with a glass of dry white wine and let it evaporate. 4. Gradually add the hot broth, continuing to stir. 4. The risotto should cook for about 18 minutes. 5. Halfway through cooking, add the saffron dissolved in a little hot broth. 6. Once the risotto is al dente, remove it from the heat, add the grated Parmigiano Reggiano, the remaining butter, and season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Stir well to combine. 7. Let it rest for a couple of minutes before serving. This dish is a true symbol of Milanese culinary tradition. Tasting it directly in Milan, perhaps in one of the city's many historic restaurants, makes the experience even more special. Milan's rich cultural and gastronomic heritage awaits all tourists with open arms.